Affiliate marketing. What it is, what different types exist and how to take advantage of it. This and more in today's video. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone, improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which companies pay third-party publishers to attract traffic and links to their products and services. Affiliates are incentivized to promote the company by paying them a fee. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has become increasingly important as the internet has grown in popularity. It's one of the best methods to earn money online. Amazon has created and popularized an affiliate marketing program in which websites and bloggers link to Amazon pages for products they review or discuss and are rewarded for advertising when a purchase is made. Thus, affiliate marketing is a results-based marketing program in which the sales process is outsourced to an extensive network. Affiliate marketing predates the internet, but in the world of digital marketing, analytics and cookies, it has become a billion-dollar industry. Companies using affiliate marketing programs can track links that have led customers and use internal analytics to see how many people have made sales. E-commerce companies that want to reach more internet users and buyers can hire affiliates. Affiliates are owners of multiple websites and email lists. The more websites and email lists they have, the wider their network. Affiliates communicate and promote products offered on the e-commerce platform to their network. Affiliates do this by placing banner or text ads, placing links on their sites or sending emails to their customers. Companies use ads in the form of articles, videos and images to draw the audience's attention to their services or products. Visitors who click on an advertisement or link are taken to an e-commerce site. If the product or service is purchased, the seller pays a commission of 5 to 10% of the sale price to the affiliate account. Special considerations. The goal of this model is to increase sales and create a win-win situation for both the seller and the affiliate. This system is unique, profitable and increasingly popular. The internet and improved technology have made this model easier to implement. Companies have improved the way they track qualified offers and pay commissions. The ability to track leads and sales has allowed them to see how they can improve their products and better position themselves. It is important that those interested in affiliate marketing understand the advantages and disadvantages. Those interested in affiliate marketing can be more effective if they understand what it entails and the advantages and disadvantages of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an inexpensive and effective way to promote products and services, increase brand awareness and expand the consumer base. Types of affiliate marketing. There are three basic types of affiliate marketing: non-affiliate, related affiliate, and engaged affiliate. 1. Unaffiliated affiliate marketing, an advertising model in which the affiliates are not affiliated in any way with the product or service. They have no relevant skills or expertise, do not become an authority, and make no claims about their use. This is the least involved form of affiliate marketing. Because of the lack of affiliation with potential customers or products, the affiliate is relieved of the obligation to recommend or advise. 2. Related affiliate. As the name implies, A related affiliate is an affiliate who has some connection to a product or service and promotes that product or service. There is usually a connection between the partner's niche and the product or service. Affiliates have enough influence and expertise to generate traffic, and their credibility makes them a reliable source of information. However, affiliates make no claims about the use of their product or service. 3. Engaged affiliate marketing. This type of marketing involves a deep connection between the affiliate and the product or service being promoted. The affiliate has used or is using the product and is convinced that their positive experience will be passed on to others. Their experience becomes advertising and a trusted source of information. On the other hand, because they offer referrals, their reputation can be tarnished by the problems that arise in providing them. Advantages and disadvantages of affiliate marketing. Affiliates can receive significant rewards for advertising companies and affiliates. Advertising companies benefit from low-cost advertising and creative marketing efforts by affiliates. Affiliates also receive additional income and incentives. Affiliates are paid only for traffic that leads to sales, which provides a high return on investment. If advertising costs arise, they are borne by the affiliate. The advertising companies set the terms and conditions of the affiliate marketing program. In the early days, companies mostly paid per click, traffic, or per mile, display, for banner ads. Later, as technology evolved, the focus shifted to actual sales or commissions for attracting customers. Early affiliate marketing programs were vulnerable to fraud because clicks and impressions could be generated by software. Nowadays, most affiliate programs have strict rules and conditions about how leads are generated. Some methods are also prohibited, such as installing adware or spyware and redirecting all product searches to the affiliate page. Some affiliate programs even stipulate how a product or service is described in the content before the affiliate link is activated. Therefore, effective affiliate marketing programs require a certain amount of thought. Terms and conditions must be clearly stated, especially if the agreement is to pay for traffic rather than sales. Affiliate marketing can be susceptible to fraud. Unscrupulous affiliates may illegally occupy misspelled domain names and earn commissions through referrals. They may enter false or stolen information into online registration forms, buy AdWords for search queries for which the company already ranks high, etc. Even if the terms and conditions are clear, an affiliate marketing program requires someone to monitor affiliates and enforce the rules. But in return, companies get access to motivated and creative people to market their products and services globally. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on Watch Later, so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. Benefits: access to a broader marketplace, better record-keeping of leads, inexpensive advertising. Cons: exposure to fraud, less creative control, may be subject to theft. Examples of affiliate marketing: Amazon affiliate programs. Amazon's affiliate program, Amazon Associates, is one of the largest affiliate programs in the world. Creators, publishers, and bloggers sign up to represent Amazon products and services on their sites and apps, and receive compensation based on sales on their sites. They get remuneration based on sales on their sites. Amazon imposes strict criteria on the types of websites and apps on which they advertise. For example, they must not contain content duplicated from other sites or creators and must be publicly available. The site must also have fresh content and meet Amazon standards. For example, it must not contain content that is obscene, offensive, promotes violence or illegal activity, or be considered harmful to others. Approval of your application is contingent upon a thorough review by Amazon staff and reaching a certain sales quota. 3 sales within 180 days of application submission. If your application is rejected, you are not eligible for reconsideration. If your application is approved, You receive a commission when site visitors buy Amazon products or services. Amazon associates can earn up to 20% commissions on qualified sales. Commissions are fixed and depend on the product category and program. As a bonus, Amazon offers special commissions for certain events. Etsy affiliate marketing. Etsy is a global online marketplace for vintage and unique goods that promotes them through various channels, including affiliate marketing partners. To apply, you must submit an online application through the affiliate program portal. To become an Etsy affiliate marketing partner, you must be at least 18 years old, have an active and unique website, have a brand identity and meet other requirements. Once the affiliate program is approved, commissions are paid on sales earned by the affiliate, sales generated by promoting products on the affiliate site. Commissions vary and depend on order value. Etsy sellers can become affiliates, but cannot earn commissions on their own products without specific approval. Etsy reserves the right to terminate the agreement at any time, for any reason, and for good cause, and states that it may withhold commissions if it has good cause. eBay affiliate marketing. The eBay affiliate network is eBay's affiliate marketing program, in which partners are rewarded for placing their personal listings outside of eBay Inc. eBay affiliates can also earn commissions on other sellers' listings. Commissions are earned when a buyer bids on an item or buys it immediately, within 24 hours of clicking the eBay buy link on the affiliate site. If an item is up for bid, commissions are paid if the buyer wins the item within 10 days of bidding. Commissions vary by category of items sold, from 1% to 4%, and cannot exceed $550 per sale. Gift cards, merchandise sold for charity, and special promotions are generally excluded from eligible sales due to low income. BuzzFeed. BuzzFeed is a New York-based digital media company known for its viral news and entertainment stories, quizzes and product reviews. BuzzFeed Shopping showcases and analyzes products and services from various partners. Visitors can read BuzzFeed product reviews, select an affiliate link and make a purchase. BuzzFeed receives a commission on every sale made on the site. How do affiliate marketers get paid? Affiliate marketers get commissions for referring customers to the companies they buy from. This commission can range from less than 1% to more than 20%, depending on the product and volume of customers referred. Online campaigns use individual links and referral codes to track sales. Affiliates are a passive source of income because once a campaign is created, it can generate income on an ongoing basis. How much money do affiliates make? Affiliate earnings vary, with some earning anywhere from a few $100s to six figures. It depends on what is being sold, the influence of the marketer, the scale of the affiliate, and how much time the affiliate spends marketing the product. Often those who spend more time on marketing make more money. Can a newbie become an affiliate? Successful affiliate marketing takes time, skill and experience. However, it may be a better option for beginners to get started as an affiliate than on other platforms because they don't need to invest in products or have inventory. Can I get started as an affiliate even if I don't have any money? Yes, there are several platforms and affiliate networks that you can use for free. However, you will need to gain a large online audience by blogging, posting on social media, etc. How do I become an affiliate marketer? To become an affiliate marketer, think about which platforms you will use to promote your product or service. Blogging is an effective channel for advertising and promotion because it allows expert bloggers to express their opinions about products. Once you have decided on a platform, look for specific categories in which you are knowledgeable or interested. Focused segments are effective for attracting enthusiastic consumers. You should also research affiliate programs and choose one or more depending on your needs, such as getting higher commissions or generating more traffic. Finally, try to develop robust and engaging content around your offerings to attract more traffic to your site. Follow these guidelines and you will make a lot of money online with affiliate marketing. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get, and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop, and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices, try out different methods, and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury, and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.